In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs in Notion. We're diving back into Notion to make your pages cleaner, easier to navigate, and more focused. Tabs are a great way to group related information without turning a single page into an endless scroll. And by the end, you'll have a neat, organized layout that's simple for you and anyone you share the page with to use. Start by opening the page where you want to add tabs. This can be any workspace page, whether you're planning a project, creating a knowledge base, or organizing personal notes. It helps to pause here and think about the sections you want to separate, because having a clear idea, like overview, tasks, or resources, will make your setup faster and your layout more intuitive. Next, type /tabs into the page and press Enter. The / command is Notion's quick way to insert specific blocks without digging through menus. Make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the tabs to appear. If you're placing them near existing content, click below that content first so the tabs slot in cleanly. A tabbed interface will appear with default tabs already set up. You'll see the tabs across the top of the block and an empty area beneath them where you can place content. This structure keeps everything in one page while letting you switch views instantly. Think of each tab as its own mini section, keeping information compact and focused. Click on a tab name to rename it. Use short descriptive labels so you can tell at a glance what lives under each one. For example, you might rename them to Overview, To-Dos, and Database. Clear names make navigation simple and help other collaborators feel right at home when they land on your page. Now, fill each tab with the content you need. You can drag and drop existing blocks into the area below a tab, or type directly in that space to add new blocks as you go. This works with text, to-do lists, and even database views, so you can keep notes, tasks, and structured data neatly separated. A helpful tip is to keep each tab focused on one purpose. Notes in one, action items in another, so you always know where to find things. If something feels out of place, just drag it to a better fitting tab. That's the entire process. Open your page, insert the tabs block, rename the tabs, and fill them with the right content. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.